which you can see is this prior level here, which you would all know about if you did the 30-minute chart. If you don't look at the 30-minute chart, you might not know that that level exists, in which case I can't help you guys. I can't help you. Go and do somebody else's course because you're wasting my time. So let's see what happens when we go down into a 1-minute chart. As we go down into the 1-minute chart, you'll see that the value divergence at the open is significant. Absolutely significant. So with that amount of value divergence creeping into these low prints, and we already knew that this was an exciting area for low prints, it just taken out the day low, of course, which was obviously the perfect idea of getting that testing drive into that day low. The value was good, but it was dropping, so we had to be careful. When the value goes up, now your trade is on. Your trade is on big style. You want to annihilate that buy trade right there. And obviously the takeaway from 73s has just traded a high price of 92s. That's nearly $1,000 of upside profits on that oil, equities already. It's nearly $1,000. 70s, 46 70s, 46 90s. It's nearly $1,000. And you've only been in the markets for 18 minutes. Should be pretty much finishing off for the day now on that basis. If you're a local, a lot of locals will be finished for that one now. And just saying thanks very much. We've made our $1,000 per contract, and we're ready to, ready to rock off somewhere else and do something else. Now, in terms of measures, of course, this was the high print, this was the low print. We've already touched the measure just there, literally just touched the measure. So that's going to be your main profit target, first profit, at least your first profit target right there at that point. It's worthwhile making sure you do take a bit of money. If you're a multi-lot trader, if you're a single lot trader, when you hit these targets, I don't expect you to close off your trade, but what I do expect is for you to bring up your stops a lot tighter to these singles, so that if the price does come off with profit taking, you can buy back in at cheaper prices, but you're not giving back your profits. You've got the control of the board at this stage, not somebody else. So make sure you trade it properly. But that was a very, very nice buy trade. Love it a lot. And it's made, as I said, it's made your day's money, guys. 18 minutes. 18 minutes into your day. Bob's your ante, isn't it? Bob's your bloody ante. Perfect. Brilliant trade, guys. I'm quite liking the sell on duration just now. I think that might be something that we can maybe get our teeth into, is this short durational trade on equities here. I'm seeing a bit of value on the downtick, so I'm going to be watching that, because that value on the downtick might just lead us to a bit of an upward chancery. Now I can hedge out that exposure on the bond, of course, and if I wanted to take a bit of a hedge, I could do that hedge on treasuries. But I'm going to let this see if I can pick up a bit of long duration and long equity into this durational trade. So let's see what happens. Certainly a little bit scatty priced at this point, so I'm going to be interested in it.